God for authority.
In the name of Allah, the cherisher, the nourisher, and sustainer of the universe. Peace and salutation be upon his beloved Prophet and his followers. Respected dignitaries and my dear friends in Islam, in this delightful moment, it's my pleasure to have some words on my topic, Sharia and modern jurisprudence. Is modern man in battle with God for authority? As we know, Islam is a religion of Allah. The way of living, the lifestyle given by the Almighty God for the man to live here in this world. Really, if it is divine, the divine ideas, it will be over all the limitations of the time and time period. We can see if the ration and the reason of man is working behind something, it will be limited within his own time period or his own reason. But if it is divine, which have success or which have victory over the time, which is upon or which is up to which is over the time and time period, no limitations we can see over the ideas. It is the success of Islam. So the Islamic ideas, the Islamic jurisprudence, which is being taken from Quran and Sunnah, it will be as per the divine reason or the divine perfect divine reasoning. About and over the human reasoning, we can see the perfectness of the divine reasoning. So we know that in the modern time, man is always taking the criteria of success and the criteria of living as the reason of man itself. The modern civilization is based over the reason and ration. The modern jurisprudence, it is also based over the human ration. So this human ration is limited up to his reason. We can see the idea of liberty, fraternity and sovereignty. It was came through a revolution, a Russian revolution or such revolutions. So a certain period of time makes a rule or law for a human right. So such a law which was made by certain time, it is limited by the time. So while the ideas of Islam, which is over the limitations of time, is really wonderful and perfect. So we can come to Islamic jurisprudence. If you are taking the modern time, Muslims or as a modern man, we know we have to face a lot of problems. We know that modern situations, a lot of modern circumstances and situations are making us to do many things. We know that modern scientific technology is giving us a lot of purposes, a lot of facilities to have a lot of works here. But if you are facing this as a Muslim or as per following the Islamic jurisprudence, a lot of problems came. As per this Islamic jurisprudence and the modern jurisprudence is coming in front of a Muslim here, a modern Muslim is facing a great conflict. We know that in the authority and also while living here in every box of life, we can see such conflict is arriving. We know the modern, the ration-based or the reason-based modern jurisprudence and the divine reason of Islamic jurisprudence. These two conflicts each other. Though they are conflicting, we can see a lot of things which can also give solutions for the modern Muslim. But such a thinking or such a conflict makes arise the new mode of the interpretation of Quran and Sunnah. We can see from Egypt that of Qaradawi and his followers, they are following the new mode of jurisprudence, Fiqhul Adliyat. They are saying that the zakat and such things should be interpreted as per the modern situations and modern circumstances. But we have to say them that, or as a modern Muslim, we have to say that when this conflict between the modern situation and Islam or the Islamic jurisprudence came, we have to look at the limitations and criteria sustenance of the Islamic ideas in the history was through this jurisprudence. And when the modern conflict came to it, we can't give up the limitations and the conditions and criteria given by the ulama. So the modern da'is, the modern propagators, we have to look for a good interpretation which is not against the criteria given by the ulamas, and this conflict should be solved and new solutions and measures should be made for it. That's all for the day. Thank you for all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
86